So you have a friend? You gonna invite them?
If he's open, I will invite him. Do ready now.
Okay,
Wanna play
so
rank?
what's your rank?
Not very good.
Good?
You can see.
Wow, wow, wow. Are you from Syria?
Libya.
Yes. Dun, dun. Jet, what happened, Jet Li? What up, guys?
Reckless and full of wrecks. Let's go.
Let's get a move on, mate. I'm sprouting grey hairs here. Science time. Oh, yowdy.
No?
Jet Li, where did you go, man? I was waiting for you.
Is your champion.
I said I'm AFK.
Yeah, I know.
The graphics driver.
Okay.
Guess I'm the jump master.
I met a guy
Eventually.
who was funny. He kept saying, "Oh, you're amazing, you're amazing, you're amazing," and I was wiping squads. And now he wants to play ranked.
Here's a good spot.
Piece of advice. Piece of advice.
Here we go, mate.
Piece of advice?
Get messy.
You weren't
Huh?
small. Boring.
What do you say, Jet Li?
Oh, is he talking in your game?
Yeah, he was talking, in the game.
Ah.
Now he added me,
Okay.
and we are playing ranked.
Right. Now this is what I'm talking about.
There's a game which we can play. It's not multiplayer. It's just pirate game. I really enjoyed playing it. I tested its demo mode, which is not paid. It's free, and it was crazy good, man.
Quite fond of this weapon, especially now it's in half.
Maybe you heard about that game. It's called
Ring's closing in 45 and we're right
Do you hear me? Can you hear me?
brilliant that is.
Okay. It's called
Check your map.
let me see if I can remember.
I shot her. The ring's near and
Humo party?
closing in 30.
No. It's a pirate game. What the fuck, man?
Got the back shot. Laser sight here.
Your
Level
next
1.
champion is right here.
You scared me, dude?
Huh?
No, I was talking to Horizon. Horizon just landed on me. I thought it was an enemy.
We're all inside the ring.
I'm gonna send the name of the game later. I got the key. Let's open the door.
Let's go.
Mates, loot vault over there. No worries, I got the key. You're welcome.
So you're not streaming right now, huh?
I do on YouTube. I just want to check this stream quality. On Kick, it was
Ah.
crazy good. And now came back
The
to
things
YouTube.
I do for my family. Vault open. Fancy that? Got an amp here. Overflow healer. Shotgun backpack here. Level 3. I'm upgraded and better than ever.
Trying to find a longbow, I guess.
Extended light mag here. Level 2. Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Someone wandered into our safe space.
Find a longbow. Let's go here
Sniper arsenal here.
and then
Get a
go to the
closer look.
city.
Hey mates, let's go deep.
I think the zone is gonna close on Skyhook.
Ultimate accelerant here.
The left.
Let's head
What?
that direction, darling.
They are fighting here.
Hitting the eject button. Ready, set, go!
Nope.
Careful.
They might be here.
Some plonkers have been there. They could have at least tidied up.
We should check that out.
Respect. Spotted a barrier over there.
Are they, man?
Some plonkers
Oh my
shooting
God.
at me.
Boomer.
Hitting the eject button.
Charging my
There's a charge
shields.
rifle. Somewhere here.
Right here.
I cracked that hooligan.
One shot.
Oh, team behind us.
Baddie.
Enemy
One shot. One shot. One shot.
spotted.
They are running.
Behind.
Spotted.
Behind. Break
Yeah,
portal.
Move that way, mates.
How you like? Yo, cracked an enemy shield.
Putting up some amped cover. Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in. Charging my shields.
Yeah, split. I guess we can push one of them. Where's the other guy?
Hey, come with this one.
Just a second.
Oh, this one.
Regroup.
Which one?
Yeah, with this one.
There's a baddie.
Let's go. Let's go.
Time.
I don't know where he is.
Took down an enemy. Tossing a frag.
We've got open.
An enemy's shield. Getting shot at. I'm down.
Where is the other guy? He's broken, I guess. He's getting shot. Okay, good. He's getting shot.
Oh, just a wee scratch, dear.
I got some bad guys here.
Charging my shields. Reloading.
Amigos, let's go here. Here. No trouble here.
On your feet, darling. Plenty of fight left in you.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Enemy taken down.
Must go faster. Charging on my shields.
Enemy spotted. Tossing up some amp cover. And you get a bullet. And you get a bullet. And you get a bullet.
I don't have shield.
They're not getting back up from that.
one shot!
Where the?
No, man, it's one shot. I swear.
This is your problem. You give up too easily. Get up and fight, fella.
He's low, only has shield. Nice. Fuck this. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck him.
Next ring's quite a shot, and we're down to 45 seconds.
Yes.
Everyone's out for the count. Got the banner. Should head to the beacon. Charging on my shields.
Oh, how do you like my upgrade, pals?
One shot.
Charging on my... Enemy spotted over there.
Res maybe, res. Pass, the zone is still not coming. Res.
And we're not yet inside it.
Do this.
I will take my stuff.
Ole! Got some bad guys here.
Care package dropping from the water.
Yep, I'm here, I'm back. Don't ask questions.
Pick me up, they're coming.
Firing. Hey, we got bad guys over there.
I'm not with you guys, be careful.
Backing up my cover.
Reload.
Healing up. Hold on.
Enemy that way.
They're shooting at me.
Pick me up, taking it to you nice, Snooky.
One shot. One of them. One shot. They are fucking flying, guys. Can you come revive?
Getting him back.
I'm with you.
Hitting the eject.
I got down. A wee baddie landed nearby.
I actually got hit.
Healing up. Hold on.
Why come team me? What?
GG.
That's a far ring. I should have done my stretches. That way.
Man, I knocked 7 people and got only 1 kill. Amazing. Ah,
That was far.
that was
Minute
what.
left. On my watches. Healing up. Hold on. Move that way, mate. Deploying an evac tower.
Fuck, I might die.
OT, let's go. That way. Healing up. Hold on, hold on. Ring's close. 10 seconds. Got my leg. I'm good. Yo, respawn beacon there. Don't sweat it. I saved the day. Got their banner.
The res you here?
Fancy going this way?
Yeah.
No. You might die. The zone. You will die. I don't want to lose you guys. Because I love you.
My game much better now. After
Really?
the driver download. I forgot I redid the laptop a long time ago. I never installed everything.
Fuck, 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 fuck. I think I'm good here at the moment. Where did they go? Trying to make to this side.
Yo, respawn beacon there. Replicator dropping like it's hot.
The left. There's one on the left.
I don't wanna fight. I'm going to res you here.
Yeah,
Yo,
don't fight.
respawn
Don't fight.
beacon there.
Otherwise, there is no more beacons. Man, I don't understand how we didn't kill those guys. We got 2 knocks, and the other guy was low too, and they somehow escaped. Crazy.
Ring's pretty close. Got 45, so I'm not tripping just yet.
One on the right.
Throwing thermite.
Fuck!
I used to go by the name Hope. Which is something you
They
lost.
scan us?
Making contact with me.
Oh, these guys were the guys who we knocked several times. Ay, ay,
Aye,
ay. Come.
All of a sudden it lags a lot.
Let's see how it's gonna work
A little
now.
bit.
Jetty, can you go support? At least if we die, you can rest.
They demoted me to silver?
What?
I was gold too! Oh, because this is the Steam account.
Okay, better.
Why they demote me?
Jetty, you going backward, huh? You gotta change the way you're going. People going forward, you're going backward.
I have to mute you in the game. I think.
What?
I hear double, so I have to mute you in the game.
Oh yeah. Ah, wait. I didn't
No,
somehow.
don't mute yourself. Don't mute yourself, else
No,
his
no,
teammate
no,
won't
no,
hear
no.
you.
No.
Yeah.
The problem is, I press to talk. Sometimes the game bugs out, and even though I don't push the button, it still picks my voice.
Yeah, but then teammate won't hear your voice.
No problem. When I want him to hear me, I will just press the button.
You don't hear me though, huh?
I don't.
Can you hear me, teammate? Let me see. Push to talk. Teammate, can you hear me?
You press a different button a few moments ago. Press the same button, you will be speaking. You press a different button, and I saw your microphone appeared. Microphone icon appeared.
Teammate,
Yes,
you
this
hear
one.
me?
This one, yes. Yes, I can hear you. Tarek, do you hear us?
Yeah.
I'ma shoot you.
I hear you only. There's someone I cannot hear him.
Don't
Can
you
you hear
hear
me?
Jetly?
I hear you. The boat.
Yeah. Okay, we go to
Get ready. Moving out.
here.
Wrong. Wait, wrong button.
Yeah, here. This building. I'm gonna pick sniper.
Jetly. Yeah, Jetly, can you talk?
Watch it now. I see an enemy landing near.
I can't snipe, so I'm not grabbing a sniper. Oh, this is much better. Oh, hi kid,
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Be careful.
help me. Come to me.
Come
I'm
on.
dead.
He's over here. Help me. Yeah, come out. Oh.
Two teams
Another guy
here. What the
coming.
fuck?
On your door. On your
Two
door.
teams. Two teams. Two teams.
You gotta kill him fast. He's alone. Oh, never mind. No, he's not alone. He's not alone.
He's solo, by the way. It's here. You kill.
Still solo. Yeah, he's still solo. Still solo.
Nice, man.
I'm here. So let's get you a do-over, huh?
He's coming. He's here. Oh, this is a different team. Different team. Whole different team. Whole different team.
This fucking
Sorry,
solo.
guys.
This fucking solo. You did good, man. But the fucking solo guy fucked my game. I couldn't kill the Octane because he was shooting from behind. I couldn't do anything. He was solo, and he fucked our game.
Tiiroj.
Yeah?
It wasn't lagging as bad, was it?
No. It was great. It wasn't lagging at all.
Isn't it crazy how a graphics driver can screw everyone's game up?
Hmm?
Huh?
Nate, what did you say?
The NVIDIA graphics driver can screw everyone's game up. It's crazy.
What do you mean with driver? You were playing on console.
No, I'm on my laptop now.
Yes, but we are talking about the previous case. You say it's unbelievable.
Yeah, that was on my laptop.
That slow
I didn't
movement,
have a,
slow motion.
I didn't have a NVIDIA graphics driver installed at all.
So, what has changed since you have installed the driver?
Everyone can play finally.
Not I. Well, let's see how it goes this game.
Whoever said the sky's the limit never left the ground.
That was on 300 ping, and then I went into the range after I installed the graphics driver. Everything's smooth now.
Okay, brother, I'm glad that it worked. No, I thought you mean the previous
Yeah,
problem.
the previous five games when I was showing you how to jump without lagging.
But your
I was on my
I know.
laptop. Yeah. Yeah.
Right. I'm the governor. Time to cause some mischief, huh?
Oh, this is my favorite part. Oh, this is my favorite part. All right, brother. Gibraltar's coming for you.
All right, mates. We could try here. Take that back.
Oh,
My bad.
this is my favorite part.
Better take a ball. Better take a ball and chalk, mate. This place ain't for you. Let's show these fools.
Can you
why
hear
their
me,
parents
teammate?
Never loved them.
Yeah, he hears you.
Okay.
There's
I'm not
no
gonna
one
press
with us.
the whole time.
Nobody comes? No worries.
Yeah,
We would have no problem finding people in ranked.
What do you say?
He said nobody's with us. I said we will not have problem finding people in ranked matches.
Next
There are
ring's
always
far.
people.
Oh, he doesn't want to play anymore?
Now's the time to use it.
No, he said there is nobody here in this lobby. I mean, in where we landed.
Susie, a minute's ticking. If we aim to live, then medkit here.
We will find them. No worries. No rush.
First blood. If you can't handle the heat, stay out of the fire pit.
35, reneight's close.
I don't understand how the game is being interfered by console lobby. How come
I'm
it
not in
happens?
console.
I'm not talking about now. I'm talking about before. Like, how come the game is being unplayable? What is the problem? What is the reason? I don't understand.
Everyone different connections.
There goes the
Oh.
champion. I heard
No, it's
you.
the graphics driver probably because I didn't update my stuff, so all the
Backpack here.
security's
Level
different.
one.
That's my guess. Kind of like Windows updates and all that.
But
So if you don't have the same updates, yeah. Interferes a lot.
When you cancel,
They
you
are
have
fucking-
update.
Interferes.
Pick the harvester, and we have blue armor.
We've got an Evo harvester here.
We're outside the ring.
And then we go.
Move, unless you want to get barbecued.
Come.
Let's go here.
We could go over there. Just a thought. If I'm wrong, you can kill me.
Like I'm on 200 ping, but I have 105 ID, so it feels very smooth for me.
For me too.
I'm very happy,
Nice.
We can use that jump tower.
especially for EU.
You fly, Tarak. You fly and see. Let's show us enemies.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get closer.
Pro tip, don't try intercepting something at Mach 1.
Oh, they're
There's
reviving.
someone revive me.
Panic, but we got bandits out there.
Okay, let's get closer. Two
Two here,
teams,
one is back.
two teams. Two teams still.
Oops.
Backpack here. Level 2.
I'm hit.
Fucking caustic.
Okay, some
Well, they know we're here.
throwing thermite.
You're alone, Tiiroj.
One shot.
Man, Octane was one shot.
Feeling up
Try.
and ready to take
Try
over the
this.
world.
Tarak. We have fight with this team.
Enemy here.
I killed one. I killed someone
Nice.
there.
Putting up some amped cover.
Watch me. Watch here. Six on this guy.
One shot.
Bogey over there.
We have to go up, dude. Ah, Jesus.
Reloading.
Window open.
Enemy's shield broke. Firing. Tossing a frag.
With the push. They're gonna rest.
Giving my shields a recharge. Firing.
Different team?
I think so, yeah.
Let's check that place out. Reloading.
Attack right here.
Charging up. Got another.
GT, don't GT, don't push.
Cracked the bogey's shield.
I'm getting closer.
They are pushing you. One shot. The boat.
Where are they?
Throwing thermite.
Right here.
Throwing thermite.
2 or 3 of them.
Throwing thermite.
Putting up some amped cover.
Where?
I down one.
Come
to me.
Ping. Where are they? Here?
Just watching here for a sec, mates.
I need to heal.
Finish them, bro. You gotta finish that lifeline. Finish the lifeline.
Blanca.
Come. I will do revive for you. Come.
You gotta finish them.
Hey, how about no more dying today?
Get your P.
Charging
Where's the
my
other guy?
shields.
The third guy.
He's crawling there.
Bandit bought the farm.
Follow him. He's here. He's here.
There's a full mix.
One sec. Healing up.
Reloading. Right. That was the last one in the squad.
Let's go. Heal to fly. Heal to fly.
I don't know what you're saying.
Heal supply. Ah, never mind. I'm grabbing heals real quick. There's no heals.
Yeah, I have only one medkit.
Next ring's not close, people.
I have
Yeah, I got 4
cells and shields.
syringes.
Let's go to the right side. Yeah.
OT, let's go.
I don't think he can hear me, that's why. When I was
Do you
calling out
hear-
things.
Do you hear Jetly?
What? No,
Do
I
you
don't hear
hear-
him.
No? Wow.
No, I don't know why. Gently, do you speak? 1 minute. Oh,
Gently heal us.
Yeah,
from him, not from me.
I
though,
can't hit. I
because,
can't hit
can't hear
the
you.
play.
I think
I
from
can't hit
his
T and
sitting.
hit the controller at the same time. Because I'm on controller on my laptop, so that's probably what it is.
Shield cell here.
So I can't hit the same button. Let me see. Open mic.
Closing in one.
Audio.
Eat you fools over there.
Come,
Push the
we kill
top.
these guys. Kill these guys.
There we go. Oh.
Come.
All right, mates. Let's regroup
I'm
there.
coming.
5, Valkyrie actual. Ready for burn. How copy? Main engine burn.
Holy shit, so many
Oh,
teams.
6 people. They're cheating. No way. They're not shooting each other.
I'm thinking my way to max level. Reloading. Upgrade. Squad's wiped. If you were hiding, you can come out now.
Good work.
Did you kill everyone?
There was only one guy.
Shield battery here.
Ah.
Half the
I
squad
don't
are
know.
gone. Probably went home to complain about it on the feed. Right, 10 seconds. Rings nearby. Get that blood pumping.
Breathe easy, I got a vault key.
Meet you fools over there.
Tiiroj, drop your shield. Come here.
What do you mean?
Hey, ring's closing. We are
Because that way we all
in the
have
danger
purple.
zone.
What?
You drop your shield, and then I
Really?
grab it, and then you grab off of a body, I think. to get
No.
Delivering care package.
And not now. Now we're away from the boxes.
What did he say?
There's a care package coming down.
Got a full OT.
Even if you get the body armor like 4, it's temporal. Take this and you will have.
This way
Yeah.
sound good.
Guys, we go here.
Guys,
Right here.
flying,
Let's
flying,
check out
flying.
them, mates.
Firing.
For
Just hit an enemy. What an idiot.
Bitch, wasting my ammo.
We go here. We go here, right side. Yeah.
Move that way, mates.
Follow me. Do you have ult,
Did
Tarek?
He punched you. I saw him.
Hmm.
20-second alt.
All good. We good. We will play right here in this
Hey,
high
mates,
ground.
Let's go, D.
I have long range. Gonna kill them all.
I have 301 Devo.
They are next to us on left side.
Oh, more lag.
I'm
Gotta
good.
be closer to them.
We shoot together, okay? In front of us.
Putting up some amp
Put
cover.
a ping.
There's a portal, yeah.
Replicator being delivered.
I don't know, where are they?
Replicator on its way down. Backing up the cover. Tossing up some amp cover.
Probably in the house. Don't. We don't need to do noises.
One there.
Got a bogey on my marker.
They have to be closer. I heard them closer.
I think in this house.
Eye on bandit out there.
Could be, yeah, we good. I'm gonna scan the zone, okay? Come back. Don't come.
They are reviving here. They are reviving here.
Amp
Coming
cover
on
for
me.
you, mates.
Coming on me.
Probably under you. Tunnel.
Our back.
Right. Got a fix on the next ring. Check your map.
I think he's under you guys.
Let's defend here.
No. Here, I saw him.
That's not on me.
He's up
Okay,
top.
then let's play the house.
Hey, mates. Let's go.
Here one.
Bandit here.
Might be something good this way.
Firing.
He said fall back and he's staying there. I don't understand.
I didn't say I said don't come.
No, he said fall back. So I
Okay, let's
thought he
kill
was
this
gonna
guy.
leave.
One here inside.
Yeah.
Do you wanna
Okay,
push him?
push. I'm waiting him here.
Sweet. We're already inside the next ring.
Extra out. Bravo.
Incoming care package.
Let's go from there. Let's go from it.
You kill. It's yours. You kill.
This is dead. This is dead.
One down and a boom boom.
I want you to get assist.
They're fighting there. There are people here. People behind me. Front of me, not behind me.
Opening fire.
One shot.
Bogey over there. I'm cover for you, mates.
Here.
Green console over there. Navigator dropping in. Another bogey.
Here.
Got a bad one over there. Some clunkers shooting at me. Enemy shield.
No.
There's one, mates.
Push.
Back there.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Guys, fast.
I'm
Let's
with
go
you,
rest.
I'm with you.
Box 3, dumping the pods.
Tossing Arkstar. Tossing a flag.
Is here.
Right here.
There's like 5 people down here looking on your back, Tiiroj.
Another squad. Get me I'm down.
One more team.
Put down a halo. Look good.
Up and at him, Rami.
Not you.
Come from.
Finest work
Reload.
squad.
Oh, your feet. Left here.
Stay.
Spotted. Taking fire.
Charging my shield. Taking some damage.
That one?
Taken down. Giving my shields a recharge. Enemy down.
Box
Kalas.
3, launching missiles. Crack shields on that bed. Fire. Mayday, mayday.
It's not here. It's not.
Why did you put
Can you
solo?
come for me? Yeah, it's solo. He was watching us only. Shut the door. Shut the door.
Charging my shields.
Be careful.
Reloading. These
Bitch.
ones free. Remember that. Getting back up again. Right. That was the last one in the squad. Amp here. Bottomless batteries. Ring
Why is
their
that vibrating when I speak to Devo? Doesn't make any sense.
Sorry. Here.
enemy spotted.
Rings just a little further.
Follow him. We're gonna play here.
Come on, mate.
Got a visual
Put
on
some
a
speed
boat
on
right
him.
Be careful there.
Putting up some amp cover. Charging my shields. Amp cover for you, mate.
I'm fucking sorry.
We down each other,
What are you
2v2.
doing?
2v2.
The squad extending to engage.
You gotta kill them, bro,
Tossing
because
up some.
It's a Mirage, fucking Mirage. We cannot see.
You will die. Be careful.
Touchdown near me.
Tossing Arkstar.
Enemy took one of
Auto
ours.
meets banner. Found it. My amp cover's destroyed. Tossing up some amp cover. I'm down.
Jet Li. I'm gonna kill Jet Li. I'm gonna kill Jet Li. Why you pushing solo?
I got you.
Cause they're behind us. The
Yeah,
circle's
but-
closing.
Yeah, we have the advantage. They will
Yeah,
come
but they're
to
gonna
us.
stay at. No, but there's gonna shoot us in the back, and there's already lots of teams still. It's not like 3 teams left. It's like 5 teams.
Placement. Let them fight. At least top 2.
Look out. Rings just ahead. Not far.
What a beacon.
I'm in for smooth landing. Alert 5, Valkyrie actual. Ready for burn. How copy? Burn is good.
Now everyone see him. Oh,
Drinks are not complimentary on this flight, though you'll wish to God they were soon enough.
You should have waited, man.
Sensor ring
It's
close.
too early.
Just a little further. Ten seconds, and I'm close to the ring. I just took out a whole squad.
Nice.
Look out, grenade! The last ring. Time to go supersonic.
he's gonna time out. Oh shit.
That's right.
GG guys.
Bogey over there.
Your long no.
Let's go here.
Negative.
You there? I think you're on mute.
Did you guys leave lobby?
He
Did you?
probably just left. Yeah, I left. No one was talking.
No worries.
Not party either. Hold on. Either way, we were gonna get pinched in the back right there, you know.
No,
There's no
no,
point in
no, 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 no. You hold the position. I dropped some barriers. We have a barrier object behind us, a cover, and we will just have to wait them. If we knock one of them, we push them, but we have to just hold our position.
Yeah,
No
but eventually
problem.
when the circle closes, they come behind us and we get sandwiched.
What do you mean
'Cause
by
it's like,
behind us? Nobody comes behind us. They are out of the zone.
They would
They will have to
they
come
would
to
come
us.
behind us.
Who's
Yeah, they would
they?
come behind
Who's
us,
they?
and then the original team that I was shooting.
No, they can't come behind because they have to come towards us, not behind us.
But then we get sandwiched because then moving in the zone, and there's people in zone, and they
We
have to come
have-
to zone.
We are in the safe place, safe zone. The zone doesn't push us towards other enemies. We are in the edge. We were in the safe position. They were not. That was the problem. All we need to
I
do
think
is
we would
just
get
wait them.
sandwich. I think we would get sandwiched either way, with people in zone and them out of zone. That's
No,
why they
because
needed to be taken care of quickly.
no, all good, no problem.
Yeah.
No, I didn't like the other guy. I mean, I prefer playing alone other than people I don't know. So in fact, I didn't want to join him. I saw you disconnected from the game. I said, okay, let's play with this guy, some pops. But he then turned it to rank, and I felt like, okay, nowhere to
Ah.
go back.
Yeah, it's like in the lower lobbies, okay, like with that position, no problem. But like in the higher lobbies, when these guys are like ex-master players, they're just gonna swarm us from coming out of the zone. And then the other guys in the zone with us are gonna swarm us. That was my feeling. But if it was lower lobbies like gold and silver only, then no problem.
There is no problem, Jet. Even if you push, there's no
Yeah.
problem. But if you go solo and die, then that's the problem. You can forget
no, I downed the
all
guy.
over. Yeah, but you get ducked.
Let's
Then
have
we
some
got shot from
pizza.
Yeah,
behind you. I couldn't cover you. I was trying to push the guy. The other team pushed me. I was good in my position. My backside was
Ah.
covered with a box. Other team couldn't push me. Didn't shoot me unless you got knocked. I went to stop the other team to
Different.
res. Then I got shot with the same team. Then other team as well. I was like nowhere to go.
I see.
Yeah. Hello.
Hit the jets. We're dropping hot.
We are lifeline now. Okay, nice.
Let's check out that area.
Where's our teammate? Oh, there you are.
We have team on us, but they are going to the ship.
Enemy over there. Just waiting to
I'm
be
down
stepped on.
here.
Can you take us?
Ah,
can-
no church rifle.
You can play the way you want now because this bus tops and the game is so smooth. There's no problem.
Ain't that pretty?
The game is so smooth, man. Unbelievable.
This is probably our first season where the game is very smooth, and yet I'm on my laptop and we're different sides of the world. Because I've never seen it this smooth either,
The next ring.
playing with you.
Can all calm down a bit.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Crazy. Yoink.
Found an extended energy mag. Level 2.
Go for R31. Dun, 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 dun. But let's see here if there's someone here.
Keeping watch here. If they sneak up on us, it ain't my fault.
Can we get the harvester?
We've got an Evo harvester here.
No, it's not looted.
Thanks.
No, not looted.
I'll
No?
add it to your tab.
Oh, nobody has been here. I'm ready.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Inside the next ring. Get ready for the massa.
Let's push this team on the left side. Here.
Look at that Blanco over there. No idea you're about to die. Extended heavy mag. Laser sight here. Level 2. Optics here. Close range.
They jumped away.
Where?
I pinged.
Is there someone there?
Yeah, there's two. They jumped away.
I-
Ah!
Got a care package coming in. Tossing it.
On me.
Give my shields a recharge.
One shot.
Right out.
He's one shot. No.
Gotta watch each other's back.
Tossing up some amped cover.
A broken enemy shield. Kilometer appointed. Got the banner.
They got shot by the other team.
Enemy here.
Whole squad taken out.
This guy's new, dude.
Reloading.
Really new. Bangalore gonna revive me. Heads up. Bangalore's leaving you.
Need to land. Oscar Mike. I'm spotted.
Where?
Giving him the chimney. They got me.
Up. Bangalore died.
Come loot the box. Loot the box.
Huh?
Watch it! Airstrike!
Idiot.
Enemy here! Up close and in my freaking face! Only half the squad's left. Another day, another anxiety attack. Killed that champion. Poor Plonka never had a chance.
What the fuck is this?
Why is he lagging? He teleported. I saw that.
Yeah, man.
Charging my shields. Putting up some amped cover. Putting up some amped cover. Frag out.
Oh, they were so idiot.
Mad.
Man, I could kill Peppa in this so easily, but what so stupid? he was just moving weird way, like canceling the scan, you know? And I was unable to hit that guy. Stupid. Bam 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 bam.
What time is it now over there?
It's 12:16 a.m.
You stay up till 9 a.m. Okay.
What?
You stay on till 9 a.m.
11:51 a.m. 59 a.m.
Huh? It's a.m.?
It's a.m. until 11:59. No?
A.m.
Yes, when it turns to be p.m. after 12. So 11:20, 11:59, it's still a.m. No?
A.m. you're saying, so it's not even lunchtime yet.
You said you're
Right.
staying awake until 9 a.m. like
No,
all
I
night.
said you stay on till 11 a.m. Yeah.
So it means you want me to play the whole night until 9 a.m., right?
At least 9 more hours. Yes.
Okay, so I said no, 9 hours is not enough. 11 hours, 59 minutes
Close.
until p.m. That's what I mean.
Let's show these fools why their parents never loved them.
Never mind.
How many more hours are you gonna be on?
No, I'm gonna sleep, man. Maybe 2 hours more.
No, it's 10 hours more. Okay.
Wow, the game is so smooth. I'm really enjoying this. I feel so good.
That's what money buys you. You gotta remember, my laptop is like 4 years old, and I run it like 24/7.
Don't worry, it won't
Yeah,
slow
I
down.
understand.
Welcome to Rambo.
But it was expensive, so
You get an item. You get an item.
you better hold up for like 10 years.
Criminal record. Get an item.
I'm gonna try this fabric.
But only one item per customer.
1 minute. Things close. Plenty of time to jam.
Number one gun.
Or we could just walk it.
Harvesters are now available.
Charging on my shield.
Fancy going this way? I need a shotgun bolt.
Rings must go faster. Ha!
Buena idea.
Ten seconds. Rings close. We got this.
Nice. Weapons enhanced.
Rings moving and we're all outside. Let's not die this way. Cool?
New kill leader awaiting.
Nice. Weapons enhanced. New kill leader? Not for long, pal.
Care package being delivered.
Either a care package is coming in or the sky's just happy to see me.
It's go time! Ultimate's ready to go! Woo-hoo! Rápido, rápido! Rápido!
I'm back. Are you good?
Go faster!
Yeah.
Olé!
So the hemlock is full auto. I didn't know that.
Yeah, they have changes.
Enhance the weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Weird. No one in the game looks like, huh?
Hit the ejector seat! It's go time! Olé!
Guess I go get shields
right
for
here.
us.
Attention.
Little one.
Cargo bot. Hola, high tier loot.
I remember little one.
It's go time! Booyah!
Oh, it has a recharge, really?
Jump down
I thought it was like
and see
Overwatch where I could just spam it.
Yeah, bring the party.
Octane, can you get this?
We've got an Evo harvester here.
Nice. Weapons in
Are you far away?
Optics here. Sniper.
I think balls.
I'm upgraded and better than ever.
Ring countdown.
Push there. Those fools won't know where to hit 'em. Next ring ain't close.
Replicator being delivered.
Replicators on the way, amigos. Ready, set, go!
Why did it drop so much?
Attack there. You better kill it. No pressure.
Care package over there.
Nahi. After
Oh,
squad
they
to go.
rushed.
Look at that blunker over there. No idea they're about to die. Got one here. Looks scared. I don't blame him.
Rings nearby. 1 minute test load.
Fancy
Found an
going this way.
extended energy mag.
Putting up some amped cover. Throwing thermite.
45 seconds. Rings close.
Getting shot at. Tossing Arcstar. Giving my shields a recharge.
Oh look, someone wandered into our safe space.
Rings closing in back.
This is it. Another squad is attacking us. Ah!
Here.
Come back, come back, come back, come back.
I'm down.
What?
Where is he?
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Right here. Ah, he's down, he's down, he's down.
It's too many.
Yeah, bad push.
There's like people there, people here, people there.
Mm-hmm.
He may not do any damage.
No,
People up there.
oh.
Got the banner. It's a race to the beacon. Jump pad out. Ole! Must go faster. Care package over there. Deploying respawn.
Bebé, ¿me traes tu PC, por favor?
Sniper rifle here.
Okay.
Sorry, we all need a bathroom break, huh?
Bring it easy. I'm coming.
New kill leader. That they use a rampart for them shots.
Someone's shooting at us.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Ring countdown.
Say one. We're all inside this ring.
Enemy over there. Just waiting to be stepped on. Any takers?
It's go time.
Delivering replicator.
Got a replicator coming in, mates. here.
Don't worry, it won't slow you down.
Thanks.
Alternator here. Mira, light ammo here.
Let's attack there. Gotta test some guns on baddies. Better feedback.
3 teams again.
Crossing Arkstar.
Champion eliminated.
Push there. Those fools won't know what hit them. Getting shot at. Oi, firing. Healing up, hold on.
Faster, faster, faster!
Bro, there's a kid on my butt too. How's this kid even here?
Press please.
Teammate just watched. Teammate just walk up on me. Crazy.
My best here, Shay. Don't show it,
Progress.
okay? Hit the ejector seat!
Care package being delivered.
We're already in the ring. Enemy squad into there already.
Big things in that.
Putting up some amped cover. Enemy here. Close enough to smell the teardrops.
There's another squad! Huh? Want some more?
Push. Yeah.
I suck, man. I suck with Peacekeeper. Press lifeline if
Too
you
many
can.
people
Lifeline.
here.
Can't believe I'm standing still.
Too many.
Sorry, man. Real bad.
You are something lesser.
Being delivered.
Got trouble here.
Come on, get up. Don't let her get me killed. Focus. Do not let them best you again.
You there, Tiiroj?
Follow me if you want to win.
You know what they say. It ain't great unless it's got Rampart written on it.
Used to think this place was something else. Didn't know the half of it.
Introducing your champion.
Okay, I'm back. Let's go. Man, I hate Peacekeeper, man.
Huh.
Enemy over there. Target over there.
Chill, man. Chill.
Bro, drop, bro. I want to play at the game, you know. I want to have some fun. Yeah, I want to fight some enemies, you know. Why you fucking draw, bro? We are not in fucking ranked, bro.
Get ready. Moving up.
Mates, that's one sad enemy over there. Here we go. Don't be afraid to fight. I won't tell. Cargo bot shot.
Round 1. Beginning.
Well done, mates. We're inside the next ring. We can all calm down a bit. Found a vault key.
Phasing. Hostile close.
Come to me.
Come on, mate. Put some speed on and meet here.
Broken enemy shield. Getting shot at. Contact with hostile.
Attention.
Tossing arc star. Cracked an enemy's shield. Found an enemy. I'm down.
Shield broken.
I'm breast maybe.
Let's go here,
Yeah,
mates.
bro.
Hello?
Move your ass.
Grenade out.
What happened?
Listen, let's move here.
You died?
Mm-hmm.
This won't hurt.
Okay.
Hold on.
Ah, where are you?
We're already inside.
I got you.
Amped cover for you, mates. Healing up. Hold on, hold on.
Are they here?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yes, yes. Somewhere here. I don't know where.
Where?
They might run away.
Oh, they're over there.
Care package being delivered.
Oh no, he didn't revive. Okay.
Heads up. Your package coming in.
He just run away.
Why?
We killed one and the other two run away.
Yeah, but their teammate's over there.
Got me a new upgrade. Can't wait to give it a spin.
Teammate wants to kill them.
We killed the one of them. The other two run away.
Meet me here, mates.
The champion has been eliminated.
Good. Jump in out.
Teammate knows how to b-hop.
I say we move there.
Nah.
Let's go over there.
Yo, closed door here. Backpack here. Backpack here.
Extra supplies here. Firepower is care package over there.
Did the heavy mech?
Punching the tunnel.
Immediately. Do you need the hell heavy mech?
Portal's ready.
Heavy mag?
Mm-hmm.
Cloud line here.
Sure.
I'll drop here.
Spread out to be much.
You're so far.
I could use that.
I'm gonna go get the gold flatline instead.
Look at that plonker over
You're
there.
way alone.
Let's defend here. Me and Sheila will lock
You have
it
to
down.
come anyway. They're fighting here.
Someone's already been there. Place is a bit battered. Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit. Putting up some amped cover. Flag out. Enemy's shield.
Yeah, very low.
Heads up.
I'm not even near you guys, dude. I told you you're 5.
Come on, Jetly, you can raise me.
Going to phase.
Can you open a portal to take me to Jetly?
Enemy shield broken.
Bro, I'm alone, bro. Shut the fuck up.
Making contact with enemy.
Come on, Jetly, rest, come. You're doing good.
They're so slow, like flying. Oh my god, bro. Leave.
Let's go this way. Got my head on your feet.
Good job, buddy. You're amazing.
Got your back. Fire. Reloading. Enemy taken out. Listen up. Got another squad coming in. Don't worry. I got a squad named Santa. Passing near the sugar. We're all inside the ring.
Just shooting at me.
Where's man?
Run! Run! He's on you.
Some flunkers shooting at me. Putting up some amp cover. I'm the king of the world, bloody dirtbags. Charging my shields. Reloading.
Where did she go?
You don't know where I'm at.
But she left.
Yep.
I need to give me a battery.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'm not gonna res
Are you
you.
good? Up and at 'em.
Right now.
Henry? There you go.
No!
Healing up. Hold on.
Right here!
Shield battery here.
Take it.
Our teammates always leave.
Missed shield broken. Firing. Reloading.
Reload!
Our teammate's gone, dude.
I know, just trying to...
Yeah.
We're all inside the ring. Good.
Go here.
All right, mates. Let's regroup there.
They're gonna rest.
Let's attack here. Poor kids don't even know what's coming. Got a care package coming in.
Jetty, come here. We're gonna wait right here. You stay here,
Amped cover for you, mate.
and I'm gonna stay here. Don't show them until they come. Show up. Just sit. Don't move.
I knocked one.
Upstart out. Frag out. Frag out.
They have lifeline.
Open your shield.
Charging my shields.
Oh my god.
I used to go by the name Hope, which is something you've lost.
We were trying to wait the other team, and this team showed up.
As soon as you said don't move, they show up.
Yeah, but I was playing the other team, not this team. Wow, they are using my covers, you know? Wow, lucky bitches. So lucky bitches.
Yeah, he was B. The race was B hopping and he looked right at me. So he was in midair, I tried to take a shot on him.
Man, look at this.
couldn't
Look
knock
at this
him.
guy's kills. 16 kills. Bob. I don't know, man.
No, that's cheating.
He's not cheating. Just
Soft cheat.
he's good. He's good.
16 kills and 3,000 damage is really, really good, you know.
Hmm. Well,
That-
he has
that
a
200
lifeline. He's a lifeline. He even if he gets knocked, lifeline reses. Probably have
Yeah,
full
but,
squad.
dude, but the average damage to kill is 200. That's really, really good. in
Yeah,
this
it's
game.
Hemlock power.
Like, I think I get like 4,500 damage and I only get like 1722 kills. That's like triple damage to kill. If I W key everyone. 200. Ooh.